TR is a diameter. Right? So we have TR is the diameter of the circle, right? And TR is my diameter. What does that mean for me? Number one. Number one, it tells me that, okay, I know that this guy is going to be 90 degrees, as well as this guy will be 90 degrees. No? Are we agreeing, right? That all basically. Then they say PRKT. So where's PRKT? Here it is. Here is PRKT. So they're saying PRKT. Let me just do this. So PRKT is a cyclic quadrilateral. Yeah? So that means we can now use our, what's this, properties for a cyclic quadrilateral to basically answer this. So if now, so they say chords TP and KR. So where are they? Here's my TP, here's my KR, are produced to intersect at S. Ne? So yeah, as you said, or a straight line. So whenever they tell us about produced, that means they are a straight, that's a straight line. Maybe like they are basically producing a straight line. So you know, with a straight line, you can have angles on a straight line. Ne? So that's basically what they're trying to tell us when they say they are produced. So whenever you see this word, just think of a straight line. Whenever you see produced, just think of straight line. Then now they are saying lastly chord PK. So here's my PK. Preacher's kid is my PK. They are saying it is equal. So chord PK is drawn such that PK is equals to TK. PK is equals to TK. So I have this being equal to this. So already, I don't know if you guys are seeing, but if I have these guys equal, that means now this guy is equal to this guy. Ne? And what would be my reason for that?
As angles in an isosceles triangle.
Yeah, exactly that. Ne? Or some others are used to saying angles opposite equal sides. Well, so that's basically that. 10.1, they say prove giving reasons that. So 10.1.1, SR is the diameter of a circle passing through points SP and R. So I will just have to remove everything. We will draw when necessary. So SR is a diameter passing on of a circle passing through points S, P, and R. So here we go. So where's my diameter? Here's my diameter. So it's a new circle. That's why I am sketching it. Ne? So this guy SR, they're saying now we should prove that he is my diameter. So 10.1.1. So they said that this guy, here's my diameter for my circle, the given circle. So if this is my diameter, we know that this guy will be 90 degrees. Yeah? So who is this guy? This guy is angle RKT. PT or angle TPR. So we can say now TPR is equals to 90 degrees. So what is my reason for me saying that?
Angles in a half a second.
Angles in half circle or angles in a semicircle. However, that's my reason, right? So okay, I have figured that out. But then they also told me that now chords TP and K are produced to intersect that S. And I said, this word now produced tells me that they are creating a straight line. This guy is 90 degrees. Then I have angles on a straight line. Now that means also who is this? P3 is gonna be 90 degrees, right? What's my reason for me saying that?
Angles on a straight line.
Angles on a straight line. So now I'm gonna say, okay, TPR is 90 degrees. Okay, I have that angles on a semicircle. But then I also know that P3 Leona is equals to 90 degrees. And it is because of angles on a straight line. Yeah. So I already proved already this guy is 90 degrees. Yeah, which guy P3? So let's not also deviate from the question. The question wants us to prove what SR is a diameter. So I can say, therefore now, SR is a diameter, right? And then my reason will be because it is the converse, né? The converse of what? Angles in a semicircle. Prove that angle S is equals to angle P2. Here's P2. Yeah? How can we connect these guys? So let's see. Also, don't forget, Hore, this guy PRKT is a slightly quadrilateral. It was given in our information up here. You can see that this guy, angle, what's this? PTK, né? Is equal to angle R1. What's my reason for that?
Exterior angles of a circuit part.
I said angle PTK, this guy, is equal to angle R1. Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
So reason would be what?
Exterior angle of cyclic part.
Then also, let me try and see. What do I have now? Let's see. Okay, so I have now as well this guy. So they also told me that PK is equals to TK. So those who joined at the beginning when we were analyzing this, we discussed. So now also, if PK is equals to TK, that means P1 is also equal to this guy, PTK. If I say now, angle P1 is equals to angle PTK, my reason will be angles opposite equal sides. Let me do this. Okay, so I have angles opposite equal sides. So that is that. But then I also know that my R1 is equals to the same angle PTK. And as you told us, it is a exterior angle of a cyclic quad. No? Meaning this guy is equal to this guy. So I can see both of them are equal to angle PTK. Now, so what can I deduce? I can deduce that therefore angle P1 is equal to angle R1. Okay? Why? Because both of them are equal to angle PTK. Now, as I said, angle S plus angle R1. So what is the reason for me saying that?
What is the reason for you saying it?
Yeah, because I can't just every statement must have a reason. So what is the reason? This would be my exterior angle of a triangle. Do we see
Oh
that?
yeah, some of both. Yeah, okay. Some of
So this guy is equals to this guy plus this guy. Ne?
yeah.
So my exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of my opposite interior angles. So that's why. So yeah, angle of a triangle. So okay, let us continue. Another way, I'm gonna continue just here. So another way, angle S plus angle R1 is equal to angle P1 plus angle P2, which is, I think that's why you were confused. Or are we also including P3? But then we're only including P1 and P2 because it's TPR. So another way we can write it as P1 plus P2. Robert? So, okay, remember that since we know that now, what do we know? We know that P1 is equals to R1. Ne? You remember from here, because they are both equal to PTK. PTK, yeah. So P1 is equals to R1. So we can do the following. So I can say now, angle S will be equal to angle P1 minus angle P1 plus angle P2. Right? So S now, P1 minus P1, that's 0. So S will be equal to angle P2. P1 is equal to R1. Yeah? So it's kind of me saying let R1 is equals to P1. So instead of saying R1, I'm going to say P1. So both of them did over P1 because they're equal again. So S plus P1 is equals to P1 plus P2. So if Kinyaga S no, P1 plus P2 minus P1, then S, these guys do cancel over P2.
Part 2 will be discussed in the next video. For now, subscribe and go practice mathematics. You are writing paper 1 on the 3rd of November in case you forgot. Are you still here? I'm gonna have to tell your teacher that you're busy lazying around. Follow me on Instagram at Sebas Tutoring Academy, then go and practice mathematics.